Hey guys, so today we are going to chat about loose waves and curls in short to medium length hair. So as you can see, I did cut my hair not too long ago into more of a mid-length cut just because it's so much easier for me and it actually opens up tons of ways to style your hair. So I'm going to share today the tools and products that I use to get these kind of loose waves in my hair that last several days in a row, especially if you don't wash your hair every day. So first and foremost, if you want more of a wave versus a curl, you're really going to want to use a large wand like this or a large iron. If you do have an iron, feel free to use it just like you would a wand and just don't use the clamp. It will work the exact same way, and if you're comfortable with the clamp, then feel free to use that as well. So just make sure that it is very nice and large, because the larger the wand, the looser the curl. The smaller the wand, the tighter the curl is going to be. So either way, totally up to you. And I just like to wrap each piece around, and I hold on to about an inch on the bottom just to leave that straight, to give more of the hair more of a wave and bend versus a tight curl. And that is how I do it all the way around, and I just go away from the face on both sides. And these curls are so easy to touch up. They last for several days, about 3 or 4 for me, and then if you want to longer than that, you certainly can, but just make sure to go in and touch up if you need to. So that is what I use. Then for the product, speaking of helping your hair last a ton longer, this dry shampoo from AG Hair Care has been my absolute favorite. The smell, you guys, is absolutely incredible. And something that a lot of people don't know is that you actually should start using a dry shampoo on the first day of clean hair. So right after you have blow dried and styled, I like to use this product or any dry shampoo that you might have, but I just love the smell of this, and it actually works extremely well. So this is the one that I swear by here lately. But you want to spray it kind of in the root, and then you're going to separate the hair and kind of spray. I get the most grease kind of in the front, so I really like to focus that area and just really near the scalp. It's also going to boost the texture and volume of the hair. So just a really awesome product. Everyone's gonna be asking you why you smell so good. It is the best thing ever. So make sure to use this on clean hair, and it'll actually extend the life of your hair washing. So speaking of texture and volume, I've also been loving this Rusk foam, and this is actually what you use when your hair is still damp, so prior to blow drying, and you will section your hair the exact same way that I just did for the dry shampoo. So just go like this and you'll spray the foam kind of, I do about 3 sections going down on each side, and if you use a round brush it'll help even more, but this is an awesome product. A lot of root lifting sprays can get a little bit crunchy, and I love that this one actually is very softening. It makes my hair nice and silky. It is not crunchy. It's not going to weigh the hair down or anything like that. So awesome product. I swear by both of these, and they are just so awesome. So I hope that this helps to give you an idea of how to get these kind of loose waves on medium to short hair lengths.